Dear learners, welcome to the home of English for English grammar and vocabulary learning. Today, let's learn the fifth part of the video series, English idioms and phrases. Please watch the other 4 parts in the playlist. I will teach you 24 more idioms and phrases with simple examples and will ask you 2 questions at the end. Please answer them in the comment box. So be careful. Let's start. First one, carrot and stick policy. Carrot and stick policy means reward and punishment. Example, a successful businessman follows the carrot and stick policy towards his employees. Here, carrot represents reward and stick represents punishment. Second one, come in handy. Come in handy means to be useful. Example, learn as much as possible because it comes in handy in your whole life. Third, carry one's point. Carry one's point means win approval. After heated discussion, he could carry his point. Means after heated discussion, he could win approval. Fourth, checkered career. Checkered career means full of ups and downs. Example, life is a checkered career. Means life is full of ups and downs. Fifth, cut both ends or cut both sides. Example, cut both ends or cut both sides means argue in favor of both sides. Example, when my parents quarrel each other, I cut both ends. Means when my parents quarrel each other, I argue in favor of both sides. Sixth one, cocksure. Cocksure means very sure and certain. Example, Raju failed in the exam, but he was cocksure of getting a high score, so he applied for re-evaluation. Seventh, cock a snook. Cock a snook means to show impudent contempt. Example, she is so proud of her wealth that she always cocks a snook at acts of her husband. Eighth one, chapter and verse. Chapter and verse means in full detail or to give proof. Example, after watching every movie, Raju narrates its story chapter and verse to his friends. Ninth, cool one's heel. Cool one's heel means to be kept waiting. Example, we cooled our heels for 2 hours because the train was running late. 10th, dig the grave. Dig the grave means to tarnish or to destroy or to insult. Example, political parties always try to dig the grave of the opposition parties. Means political parties always try to tarnish the image of the opposition parties. 11th, draw the long bow. Draw the long bow means exaggerate or make a big issue. Example, nowadays even silly issues are drawn the long bow by media to make it a breaking news. 12th, die in harness. Die in harness means die while in service or die while working. Example, Ravi got the job as his father died in harness. 13th, Dutch courage. Dutch courage means bravery under alcoholic influence. Example, some husbands drink alcohol to show their Dutch courage in front of their wives. Otherwise, they are cowards. 14th, daredevil. Daredevil means fearless person. Example, he is such a daredevil that he rescued a family from a building under fire. 15th, dead broke. Dead broke means penniless or poor. Example, on account of his reckless spending, he is dead broke these days. Means he is penniless. 16th, down and out. Down and out is similar to the previous one, dead broke. Both means penniless or poor. Example, COVID-19 lockdown left many people down and out. 17th, draconian law. Draconian law means extremely severe law. Example, during the British rule, they imposed many draconian laws in India. 18th, die hard. Die hard means persistent in struggle or constant hard work. Example, we need to be die hard in studies to get a government job. 19th, days of reckoning. Days of reckoning means time to answer for one's actions. Example, you may commit crime after crime, but days of reckoning are never far off. Means you will have to answer for your actions. 20th, down in mouth. Down in mouth means out of elements. Example, nowadays he is down in mouth because he has suffered heavy loss in business. 21st, dog in manger. Dog in manger means a person who prevents others from enjoying what he himself cannot. Example, by disrupting the parliament session, the opposition party is following a dog in manger policy. 22nd, damn scoop. Damn scoop means complete failure. Example, he is very depressed these days because his attempt to crack the civil services exam was a damn scoop. 23rd, eat humble pie. Eat humble pie means to apologize. Example, the manager misbehaved with his subordinate and therefore he ate humble pie. 24th, eat one's words. Eat one's words means take a statement back. Example, the politicians are habitual to eating their words. So these are the 24 idioms and phrases for today. Please revise if you require once or twice. Now there are two questions. What is the meaning of the phrase Dutch courage? Second one, what is the meaning of the phrase draconian law? Answer them in the comment box. If you like the lesson, please like, subscribe and share. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.